Hello and welcome again. Thank you very much for joining me today in this new unboxing. And we have here this 4-pack of Galaxy Smarttag2 by Samsung. But before starting the unboxing process, I'll just ask you please one thing. If you haven't yet already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button just below this video. That would be great and you'll be notified whenever there is a new video posted out. Okay, done? Alright, so we'll be back to our unboxing. This Smarttag2 is something that is not quite big if you get it by a 4-pack. So you see that it comes in a packaging that is not bigger than, let's say, 10.5 centimeters if you don't count this stuff, or 12.5 centimeters by 13 centimeters, 13.2 or 0.3 centimeters, and 1.5 centimeters. So this is its thickness, and these are the dimensions of the packaging. If we talk about the weight of the whole package, so we're talking about a 4-pack, of course. It's not only one single Galaxy Smarttag. It comes, if you buy it by 4, you get 2 black and 2 white. And it is with the packaging something around 3.45 O's or 98 grams. So this is not that big. It's quite small and quite light if you see even the full weight of including the packaging. And now we'll see one thing. Maybe you have already read the specification, but a reminder might be useful. So you know that this is something that might not need a battery replacement for over 500 days. So which is quite interesting. And also this works with Bluetooth, so it has a range of 120 meters, 120 meters of a Bluetooth range, and it's detected by all the Samsung smartphones, or let's say smartphones devices. Now it's smartphone and AI phones, so let's call it smartphones for now. You have all the specifications, not real specifications, but all the certifications. You have CE, UK, UKCA, RNZ, EA, EAC, TP, whatever, and you see this small Bluetooth sign, and you see that it's designed by Samsung, of course. Also in the back you have some serial numbers and some QR codes related to the Smarttags that are inside. And you see here Smarttag2, and you'll see the SKU and the serial number. And here you see what kind of usages you can do with this device. So either for pet tracking, for luggage tracking, or as a keychain for your keys tracking. One thing also interesting to say is that based on the specification of this Smarttag2, you can replace the battery. And which battery you need to use if you want to replace it, it will be a replaceable CR2032-1EA. So this is the type of battery that it uses. And without further waiting, we'll show you what is it from the inside, and we'll start this unboxing. So you have already subscribed, right? Okay, thank you very much. So it's the packaging is sealed from both sides. It's sealed from both sides. So from this side it's sealed, and also from this side also. So you have two kind of stickers, white stickers here, closing it, and this one, so it's quite simple to open, I hope, I guess. And let's start from here. So this is the let's say the Samsung version of the iPhone AirTag that is released by the Apple company. Sorry, not the iPhone AirTag, it's the Apple AirTag, sorry. And there is a confusion between iPhone and Apple because it's the company that releases the iPhone that's called Apple. And here is the box open. You see that there is something here. I guess it's a user manual, and here you see the products package. So it comes in let's see, this 4-pack, so it's quite nice, quite beautiful. And there is this this sticker that I guess protects the battery from being drained without being used. And here you can recognize this stuff that you find also with the smartphones that you might need to use for replacing the SIM card, or you can also use it to reset any device with, you know, the small reset button that is hidden behind or under the device. So it's quite useful. And here yeah, you'll tell me the smartphones doesn't need to be reset by this kind of stuff, but yeah, you might need to reset your router. You can use this one. So here, this 4 Smarttags, Smarttag2, of course, it's the second generation of the Smarttag released by Samsung. So the first one has a smaller hole here, and it was kind of, I don't know, squarey shape. But this one is quite different, and we'll see what we have here. We have also this, of course, quick start guide, and there is some safety information, so it should stay. Oh, keep out of reach of children. Swallowing can lead to chemical burns, perforation of soft tissue, and death. Severe burns can occur within 2 hours of ingestion. 2 hours of ingestion. Seek medical attention immediately. All right, so okay, I didn't know that starting of 2 hours things might get serious. And I guess this is the this for the battery that is used. And you have here a quick start guide. And yeah, here you see that this is how to replace the battery. So you need to push it from here, and that will open this battery lid, and then you can take out the battery and or replace it and then push it back. So do not use the products in hot environments or near a fire. Do not swallow, disassemble any battery, chemical burn hazard. If the battery from your products is swallowed, it can cause severe internal burns in just 2 hours and can lead to death. Keep batteries away from infants and children. If the battery compartment does not close securely, stop using the product and keep it away from infants and children. If you think the batteries might have been swallowed or inserted inside any part of the body, quite interesting, seek immediate medical attention. So don't insert the batteries whenever, wherever in your body. So this is these are the symptoms of battery consumption. So you can pause and read. And this is how to dispose of the product. Only in India. Outside of India, you don't. Okay. You don't use these instructions. And these are some declarations of conformity. So thank you very much for all the legal information. And now we know how to start with our stuff. The most important thing is do not swallow, keep out of reach of children. And there is a battery here that can burn your inside in 2 hours. Okay, thank you very much. Second important thing is that this contains a battery, of course, we know it from the first important thing, and that this has a small hole here that you can use, where you can insert this small stuff to open your smart tag. So here you see the battery compartment. Here it is, and the small hole here, as there is a lot of reflection here. You see that you might notice it. All right, so this is it. Here it is. You see the black, the small black point. It is the hole that you can, where you can insert this stuff to open the battery compartment. And so this is compatible with the NFC protocol, so near field communication, and it's not only restricted to the Android devices. It's also compatible with the iPhone devices, but it only for identifying the smart tag. So once you put it in contact with any device that's having NFC recognition, let's say sensor, you will receive information about this smart tag on your screen. So in NFC, yeah, it's near field communication, and it's used, for example, for contactless payment, and also for some shops to detect items that you put in your cart, and then for paying. We know that Decathlon is already using it. Maybe also I don't know if Amazon is doing the same thing, or if they are using some other protocol. But this is how to visualize or imagine how this NFC works. And here you see on the back some specification or some information about this Smarttag2. And what's also important to know is that this used the Bluetooth BLE version 5.3. And also it can be detected in a distance up to 120 meters, of course, using Bluetooth. So here you see information about this smart tag. So you have maybe the model number, and do you have the serial number? Yes, you have the serial number also, and it's made in Vietnam. So this is one Galaxy Smart Tag, and black or white, it's only the color changes. There is no big specification difference except the color. And you see that it's not bigger than 5 centimeters length and 3 centimeters large. And it's as thick as half a centimeter, so it's very, very small. Yeah, the focus. All right. And speaking of the weight, you'll see that it is not heavier than 14 grams. 0.50 ohms. So in the specs, they're saying that this is that its weight is 13.75 grams. So all right, they have more precision than my balance. Okay, so 14 grams or 13.75, and that's it. So you see that this is the design of the black one. It's quite small. You can have it in your hand in your palm, and you can use it as a keychain. So you just need to put your keys here using some other keychain. And the white one is also having the same design, and you see that there is not big difference between both. And yeah, you just need to remove this this plastic before starting using the Smarttag. So you see that it's quite nice and beautiful, and you can hide it in your luggage, you can hide it in your bike, you can use it yeah, I don't know how to use it with pets, because this looks quite bigger than the AirTag. So the AirTag, you can find some case or some collars where you can put the AirTag, but this in a collar for a dog, this can't be put just like this. It might need to be like that, and it might be quite big for an animal. Unfortunately, I don't have an AirTag here to compare with, but this is something that you can use more for still objects, not really for animals as it's big. But you might also need to put it on your luggage or your kids' luggage, but it should be sealed so your kids won't swallow it. But when we talk about luggage, we talk about big or quite conscious kids that are not swallowing anything. So you can know where your kid is or where your kids are, and be quite with a good conscious. So that's it about the Galaxy Smarttag2. I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing, and that now you have a better idea about what does it look like. So technical specs, yeah, you know it, I guess. 120 meters using Bluetooth, or if you don't use Bluetooth, you can use all the worldwide network of Samsung devices. So all the worldwide network of Samsung devices. I was about to say smart devices, but all the smartphones are smart because they're called smartphones, or not. So you can connect it to before starting using it, you have to register your product. You have to register your Smarttag, and then use the Find application of Samsung to find it anywhere in the world, or use the ER app to visualize kind of where is your lost objects or your lost Smarttag. So using the app to find the Smarttag without any object attached to it is quite silly. So it would be better to use it with something that you need to find, or you need to keep in mind, or keep around, or not lose. But just finding a Smarttag by itself is not quite interesting. So thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you very much for subscribing if you have already subscribed, and also for watching if you have even not subscribed. That's good. Even though I prefer if you have subscribed. Thank you very much. Don't forget to leave your comments, to share and like, and also to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll be more than happy to read from your comments, and tell me what do you think of these Smarttags, and is it worth the money? So yeah, the pack of 4 is a little bit cheaper than 4 packs of 1. So yes, that's why if you need a lot of Smarttags2, it might be interesting to buy it by 4. Okay, thank you very much, and stay tuned. Bye bye.